Hello friends, welcome to my channel Writing Skill. Today we will learn sound of TH. TH का sound होता है थ. So let's start. T H U M B thumb. B A T H bath. T H U N D E R thunder. T H R E A D thread. T H E R M O S thermos. P A T H path. T H R E E 3. E A R T H earth. T H I G H thigh. T H I N G thing. T H I C K thick. P A T H path. T E E T H teeth. T H A N K S thanks. T H I E F thief. T H I R T E E N 13. B A T H bath. F A I T S faith. T H R E A D thread. T H E R E there. T H R I L L thrill. T E N T H tenth. T H I N K think. T H O U G H though. T H A T dat. T H E R M A L thermal. D E P T H depth. T H R E E 3. T H I R S T Y thirsty. T H R O W throw. C L O T H cloth. B R E A T H breathe. T H I N thin. T H U N D E R thunder. T H O S E those. B I R T H birth. E A R T H earth. T H I G H thigh. T H R O A T throat. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.